Do you have an open house coming up? If you do, real quick, I want to share with you several different ways how you can maximize the exposure to the open house so that one, you can get more buyers there, but also more importantly, you can get neighbors within the surrounding area of the home to show up at your open house to hopefully get more deals out of it. First of all, let's say you've got an open house and you've got an address. What you can do is you can quickly pull data such as emails and phone numbers for that surrounding neighborhood, and you can send them text messages, voicemail drops, and emails. And here's the most effective way that I think you can do that. If you log on to this website called getivdata.com, it's a great website for pulling contact information such as email addresses and phone numbers. If you sign up through me and through Chicago Title, you actually will receive a discount because they're a partner of ours. You're gonna pay roughly about 5-ish cents per lead that you get contact information for. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull a radius search of the area around your home, and you're gonna pull all that contact information of all the neighbors, right, and all the homeowners. Next, after you do that, now you've got their email addresses and their phone numbers. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to log over onto eventbrite.com, and I want you to create an account and set up an event page for that open house. Now here's why. Eventbrite has a really good way of getting their emails into the inboxes of people. Not all email systems and servers are created equal, and I found that Eventbrite has a very high open rate when you send emails through Eventbrite. What's also great is Eventbrite is completely free, and you can send up to 2,000 emails per day. So this is a completely free thing that you can do. So once you create your Eventbrite event and then you upload your contacts for the homeowners, you can now blast out an email to all those homeowners reminding them of the upcoming open house. Now, once you've done that and you've scheduled out your emails to push out before the open house, now let's jump over to your phone. Your phone, now if you've got all these phone numbers, you can use various services such as slide dial, slide broadcast, where you can now quickly leave voicemail drops on all of these phone numbers to let them know about the open house. But this is a very quick, effective way to quickly get the word out to the surrounding neighborhood of your open house, right? Because the goal here is to get more potential leads, more potential listings out of this open house. And it's also just gonna show, hopefully, right, to all the neighbors, wow, this person is really going above and beyond to help market this listing and help promote this open house to get people here. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about setting any of this up or how it all works, or if you'd like a referral discount through our partner, Getiv Data, feel free to reach out to me, Jerad Larkin with Chicago Title. I'd be happy to help you out and sit down with you. If you have any real estate marketing questions or any title or escrow questions for me here at Chicago Title, again, I'd love to help you. Feel free to reach out to me. And lastly, visit my website, milehighTitleGuy.com, and sign up for my monthly video email newsletters where I share tips and tricks and resources that are all real estate related that are gonna help you grow your business. I also share upcoming classes, milehighTitleGuy.com, and I'd be happy to help you if you have any other questions.